have all the sitemaps. I took a picture of everyone's work and I put it together on a PowerPoint presentation. So they got to present their sitemap to the class. The first group, they did ultimate pitch. The second one, they did a toy factory. The third group, this was actually a real website. So the entrepreneur in this class is a student. He has his own fashion brand. He does have a website. I will share that in the video description. I'll also put the link right here on this video so you can check it out. Check out the product. So this is actually a real sitemap. All right, the other group, this was gaming. So we had a couple gaming sitemaps. We also had a couple like cell phone. This was on dogs, where they sell dog food. They also teach your dog how to do tricks. Then we had a website, a technology shop, cell phones, cases, keyboards, chargers, tablets. The next group we had actually two groups, very into auto body mechanics. So one was like car detailing, and this one, you can see this very detailed sitemap for their, it's called Full Boost Auto. My studio. Then we have web design, another auto shop. Digital Delights. I love the drawing over here. We had Worship. I originally looking at that, I thought it was like a website where you submit your prayers or something like that, but this is actually where they sell merchandise, hoodies, sweatpants with Bible scriptures on the merchandise. So when they got to present, everything was very clear. Here is a website on making characters, digital characters. So here's a sample in the left-hand corner of a student who's very good with art, and he enjoys making these characters. And then we get into my other period 7. It's a smaller class. The first group came up with Earbud Envy. And this is where they sell earbuds. Very creative. Love it. Love that sitemap. Here's another group. They did burgers and ice cream. Then we have, again, phone cases seem to be popular, as well as technology and food. And then, of course, having their own clothing. Here's another clothing brand. We have ice cream, Oasis. I like the cool combos where they put 2 different ice cream flavors together. That was interesting. Cell phone cases, what we sell, home, products about us. Those are some various web pages. Another clothing shop. And that was it. So that was the students' work. Thanks for watching, and we'll